everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Great. So kids, welcome back to your English class. And today I'm just going to tell you one thing. So just listen to me carefully. Okay kids? So look here everyone. She is a lady. Yes, so imagine it's your teacher. It's me, your teacher, and she is one of your classmate. Okay? She is one of your classmate and he is also one of your classmate. Okay? बेटा ये दोनों आपके classmates हैं. So ma'am is going to tell you something about one of your classmate. So hello everyone. This is Kashvi. Kashvi is a girl. Kashvi is dancing. Kashvi is smiling. Okay? So let's start for this. Hello everyone. This is Raman. Raman is a boy. Raman is playing football. Raman is happy. Wow. Ma'am is saying something about Kashvi, as Kashvi is a girl, Kashvi is dancing, Kashvi is smiling, Raman is a boy, Raman is playing football, Raman is happy. But does it sound good? Yes? If I am telling again and again name of the students like Kashvi, Raman, Kashvi is a girl, so बेटा क्या ये आपको अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में? Does it sound good? No? Yes, great. So we have another option. Yes, so we have some more options that we can use in place of name. Okay? So kids, we have some more options that we can use in place of names. So these options and these words are called what? These words are called pronoun. Okay? बेटा ऐसे words जिन्हें हम बार बार name नहीं लिखने की जगह उन्हें use कर सकते हैं. So उन words को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Pronoun. Okay? So let's learn pronouns. Okay? So just look here. Pronouns are those words used in place of nouns. Remember nouns? What is a noun? Noun मैम ने आपको पढ़ाया था. Remember? So I'm just explaining once again. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. Yes. So pronouns are those words used in place of names of people, animals, places and things. Okay? So there are some examples like he, she, it, I, you and so on. So today we will learn about pronouns. What we will learn today? What's the topic for today? Pronoun. Okay? So kids, firstly we will learn about he. The pronoun he is used for boys and men. Okay? For example, I'm just giving you one example also. Just look here. Meet Raman. Okay? As I told you in the beginning, meet Raman. It's a boy? Yes. But here, he is a teacher. So just look here. Raman is a teacher. Raman likes his students. Raman teaches class 1. Raman is a tall man. So every time just Raman, Raman, Raman. Again, it sound good? No. Yes. So, we have one more option. As I told you, we can use he. Okay? We can use he. He is used for boys and men. So, here you can use he. He is a teacher. He likes his students. He teaches class 1. He is a tall man. Okay? Now, the pronoun she. She is used for girls and women. She किसके लिए यूज होता है kids? Girls and women. Okay? Like she is a pretty girl. Now just look here. She. So she is a girl. So meet Priya. She is Priya. Priya is a girl. Priya likes to go to school. Priya is in class 1. Priya is a good girl. So again and again, just they are using Priya. Priya is a girl. Priya likes to go. Priya is in class 1. Priya is a good girl. So again, ये तो अच्छा sound नहीं कर रहा है. Yes. So what we can use? As she is a girl, so we can use she. She is used for girls. Okay? And women also. So we can use she in place of Priya. Okay? He is a pronoun. She is also a pronoun. Now comes to what? It. We have one more pronoun, it. Beta, the pronoun it can be used for places, name of places, animals and things. Okay? किसी भी place का name, animals का and things के name के साथ हम it use कर सकते हैं. Okay? Just look here examples. It is a school. This is a place. It is a giraffe. It's an animal. It is a pencil. It's a thing. Yes. Now we had done with what? He, she, it. Yes. Now comes to next pronoun. I. The pronoun I is used when a person is talking about himself or herself. If you are talking about himself or herself, अगर आप अपने बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे, then you have to use I. Okay? Just like I am a student and जैसे मैम बोलेंगी I am a teacher. Yes, मैम क्या बोलेंगी? I am a teacher. And आप क्या बोलेंगे? I am a student. I am a girl. I am a boy. Yes. So I is used for something like when someone is talking about himself or herself. Okay, kids? Great. So now come to next pronoun. The pronoun you. Y-O-U. You. You is used for what? The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Yes, बेटा ये भी आपका डन है. ये भी आप लोगों ने किया हुआ है कि you singular and plural nouns हम लोगों ने किए थे ना. One thing is singular and many plural. So you जो होता है you is used for singular and plural noun both and is used when talking to someone in front of us. Yes, just like you are my friend. जैसे आप अपने किसी फ्रेंड के लिए बोलेंगे you have your friends. Yes, so आप मम्मा को बोलेंगे या आप अपने पापा को किसी को भी आप शो करेंगे कि मम्मा ये मेरी फ्रेंड है. ओके, तो आप उसको भी बोलेंगे if she is coming at your home. if he is coming at your home, so you just tell him or her, hi, you are my friend. Yes. So here we are using what? You. Okay. इसके प्लेस पर क्या यूज होगा बेटा? You. So these are some pronouns. These are some words which are called pronouns, like he, she, you, it, I. बेटा प्रोनाउंस वर्ड्स और भी होते हैं, बट अभी हम ये 5 वर्ड्स ही रीड करेंगे. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. जस्ट लुक हेयर. Look here. Just look at this picture. Riya has a doll. She also has a ball. She is a girl now? Yes. Riya has a doll. And in place of Riya, what we are using in next sentence? She. So she also has a ball. So she is what? She is a pronoun. This word is a pronoun. Yes. Now come to next. Tony is happy. He won a prize. Wow, he is a boy. Tony is a boy. Yes. And for boys, what we have to use? He. So in next sentence, what we are using? He won a prize. Yes. So the word he is what? He is pronoun. Okay. Now come to next. This is a cute dog. It's a dog. It's an animal. This is a cute dog. And for animals, places and things, what we have to use? It. Yes. So in next sentence, what we are using? It loves to play all day. This is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. Yes. So again, this word it is what? It is pronoun. जो word है हमारा बेटा it हमारा क्या है? Pronoun. Okay. Now come to next. Hi, I'm Sonia. I study in grade 1. Hi everyone. Hello. Hi, I'm Sonia. मैं सोनिया हूँ. I study in grade 1. Now she is telling about herself. What she is doing? She is telling about herself. ये अपने बारे में बता रही है बेटा. So what we are using? What she is using? I am Sonia. I study in grade 1. So the word I is what? I is pronoun. Okay. Now come to next. Hello Sam. You are a sailor. Hello Sam. And Sam को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? You are a sailor. So the word you is again a pronoun. Okay. There is no need to use every time name of the person, animal, thing. So you can use other words also, and these words are pronoun. I hope it will be very clear if we are doing some more exercises. But yes, we will do more exercise in our next class. Okay kids? But I hope अभी ये आपको सबको थोड़ा समझ में आया है. See what are pronouns and what we can use in place of name. हम नेम के प्लेस पर अगेन एंड अगेन हम नेम नहीं लिखें तो हम उसके प्लेस पर क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? Yes, and these are called pronouns. Yes everyone? So please do practice at your home. Okay, and we will do some more exercises in our next class. Till then, bye bye everyone.